The process for filing a sex assault case against a doctor, it follows the same pattern as filing a sexual assault case or even a personal injury case. You got to meet with a lawyer, you got to get the facts straight, got to get everything verified, see what kind of evidence you have. You got to put a complaint together. In that complaint, the person's name may be redacted, and even the defendant's name may be redacted, because you certainly don't want to end up getting sued for libel or slander. In any event, as a plaintiff, you don't have to protect yourself by redacting your name, but you may wish to. And then the case will follow the normal path. There's a discovery period where you will give a deposition. The deposition of the other side will be taken, and medical records will be exchanged. Other kinds of records, for example, mental health records, may be exchanged. And then the case will work itself towards either a resolution or a trial. More often than not, these cases do get resolved, and the rewards and settlements can be large in these cases. We have had settlements and rewards for our clients that are in the high 6 figures and 7 figures. It just depends on the facts and the severity details of the case.